This is the R sound, as in the words after, last, and ask. It's a vowel sound, and its technical name is the open back unrounded vowel. Remember that the key to pronunciation is physical, and the name tells us about how the sound is made physically. In this case, your tongue is low and at the back of your mouth. Unrounded refers to your lips because they're relaxed and not rounded. All vowels are made through the mouth and are voiced, so you vibrate your vocal cords to make the sound. It's similar to the ä sound, but it's longer. The two little dots mean that it's a longer sound. Ah, not a. To produce the sound, put your tongue low and at the back of your mouth, then make a long voiced sound with your mouth open. Ah, ah, ah. The R sound is normally spelled with the letters AR, as in the words start, part, large, and party. But like with all vowels in English, the spelling can be very inconsistent, and you'll always find alternative and unusual spellings of the vowel sounds. It's one of the most difficult things in English, but we just have to learn it. Here are some words that start with the R sound. Art, arm, answer, and argue. Here are some words that have the R sound in the middle. Father, market, class, and hard. Here are some words with the R sound at the end. Far, car, star, and bar. So that's it for the R sound. But we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds: vowels, diphthongs, single consonants, and consonant pairs, as well as videos explaining the overall phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video with lots of examples and an explanation about how to pronounce that sound. We regularly post new videos, so if you like this video and want to continue improving your English, please click here to subscribe to our channel. At the English Club, we also offer live English classes via Skype or Google Hangouts. Visit our website to make a booking with me or one of our other teachers. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook.